R.I.P. This for the niggas that we lost, all our lost soldiers. I'ma stay strong, cause nigga I'm a soldier. Ever since you thought I gotta keep my pistol closer. Stay the fuck around me if nigga I don't know ya.
Thing I gotta say, R.I.P. my nigga Dub. Ever since you went away, I've been thinking about busting slugs. But the field we gon' ride, keep my toolie on my side. Man, my nigga gone. Man, my nigga gone. Where the world coming to? Deeper down, left and right.
So man, I go into my room and pray that I don't die tonight. I don't die tonight.
From a messy to a crack house, my hood is the field side where real niggas stay round and fuck niggas stay high. I'ma kill it till the day I die. Can't nobody change my mind. You lost self, but I know my line. You walk up on it, you gon' get shot. To kill a nigga ain't no thing. Bust head on some concrete, man. Think it's fun, but it ain't no game. No need to run, I got a perfect aim. D.A. Murray, hey, spin up there. Do it on the front of my black t-shirt. Talk about dope, then you gon' get murked.
Talk about dope, then you gon' get murked. This for the niggas that we lost, all our lost soldiers. I'ma stay strong, cause nigga I'm a soldier. Ever since you thought I gotta keep my pistol closer. Stay the fuck around me if nigga I don't know ya.
They say what don't kill you, only make you stronger. They say respect your elderly and you will live longer. Humans dying left and right, man, one without live long. And this the way I feel, so you won't get no happy song. One day your people here, the next day your people gone. R.I.P. Dub, your soul still living on. I know you looking over the hood, but I can't see, keep my composure. I try, but every time I turn around, I lose another soldier. And it make me feel like fuck this world. Niggas worry about the wrong thing, get money and try to fuck your girl. I'm trying to survive, you know the world start spinning. When I heard you died, I put my blood out, look to the sky, and then cried. I'll give anything in the world to bring you back, but I know that ain't gon' happen. So when I get there, I'ma see you, Jack. Nigga, I miss you dearly, nigga. You was like my brother. I asked God to deliver me from evil. I been should've killed that motherfucker. And the hood ain't the same without you no more. Nigga don't like to hit BG, and I rarely hit the stove. Cause every time I hit them bitches, nigga, I see you first and see your smile again. A million words is what it's worth. I can see you now, your khaki cargo is your earned shirt.
But now I only see my nigga on a shirt, on a shirt, on a shirt. My heart filled with pain and it really hurt. This for the niggas that we lost, all our lost soldiers. I'ma stay strong, cause nigga I'm a soldier. Ever since you thought I gotta keep my pistol closer. Stay the fuck around me if nigga I don't know ya. R.I.P.